And then because CVA War Trading Room, welcome to CVA War Trading Room. Today is Thursday, July 7, 2022. We're going to trade today, RTY at 9:30 a.m. trade, active trade as usual. We have less than 3 minutes. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, here we go. And boom. Less than 2 minutes. Seems like market is pushing higher. Let's see. Less than 2 minutes. Morning, everyone. And we are trading inside now. If you guys see this short, see we are trading inside, which means the day today is inside than yesterday, which means it's gonna be maybe consolidated day. Only market trading outside is crude oil. RTY is trading inside. Less than a minute. $25 seconds. $30 seconds. $15 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in the market. Let's see. We are long now. We are long now. Yeah, we are long. And let's see. Okay, move the first, second contract now at 1741.6. 1741.6. First target hit. Market moving nicely now, almost 3.5. Move the second contract now at 1742.6. 1742.6. Yep. 1742.6. And remember, we can go short. If you got another short signal, we can go short. But let's see. If the market pivot, I'm going to move my last, my second one, Vortex below this. Yes, I'm going to do that. I'm going to move now my stop one, my last one at 1743.4. Nice moving. It's almost now 4 points. Wow, wow. Finally, we got a nice move at the open. First trade, finally. Finally. So we have now 5 points. So I'm going to add my second contract, 5 ticks below this one. Wow. So now we have 6 points almost. So I'm going to add my stop to be at, let's say, 1744.4. Yeah, 1744.4. Market pivot. Nice. Market at 1750.5. This is 1750, sorry. This is a rejection and session high. So let's see. And we have 6 points now from the entry. Almost 6 points, yeah. So I'm gonna move my stop now to be at nice move, almost 7 points from the entry. Almost 7 points from the entry. So I'm gonna move my stop now to be at 1 second. I wish I make this automated to be honest. At almost 8 points. So I'm gonna move my stop now to be at 1746.5. 1746.5. Market is still moving higher. 8 points now from the entry. Still trailing the second one. Nice 9 points now. Wow. Almost now, almost 10 points. So I'm gonna move my second top here at 1 second. So 10 points. I'm gonna move my last one here to be at 1749.2. Actually, 1 second. 10 points. No, I'm gonna add it to at 1749.4. So I stopped out for this last one. 5 minutes window is over. So I secured from the second one, I secured almost 8 points and I secured 10 points. And from this trade and this one, I secured almost 6 points. I secured almost 16 points from this trade so far. Nice trade. 11 points from the entry. 11 points from the entry. I'm gonna move my stop now to be at 1749.9. We are in the home run territory, by the way. Of course. 12 ticks from the entry, 12 points from the entry. 12 points from the entry. So I'm gonna add my stop to be at 1 second. Okay. 1750.2. 1750.2. Still market moving, still moving. 13 points. I'm gonna add my stop now to be at 1750.8. 1750.8. Oh, I still have to move the screen, man. Focus on trading and so 13 points. I'm gonna move my stop again to be at, wow, Mark, still moving, man. 14 points almost. 14 points. So I'm gonna move my stop now to be at 1752.0. 1752.0. 1752.0. 1 second. So 15 points. I'm gonna move it. Oh, I'm gonna move it again. I'm gonna move it now to be at 1752.6. Wow, man. Wow, almost 16 points. 15 points. Holy crap, man. So I'm going to move now 15 points. So I'm going to move now my stop to be at 1753.0. Still moving. 16 points now. My stop now going to be at 1753.2. 1753.2. One 1753.2 to give me my stop. And 16 point, like I said. So it's gonna be at 1753.6. Let's see if I have any pivot here. Let's see. Yeah, my stop is good. 1753.6. I think it's secured within the RR pivot. So it's good. You guys still in the trade or out? Who's still in, who's out? So 16 points now. And I move my stop a little bit higher at 1753.8. Why are you guys out? Why are you out from the trade? If you're trading, if you're using Max 50 or any other firm or using evaluation. $16 points now from the entry. That's nice. Home run territory. I'm gonna move my stop now to be at 1754.6. Actually, 1 second. Yeah, 1754.6 is gonna be my stop. 1754.6. I already secured from the last contract now. I secured almost 11 points and 8 from the last one, 19 and almost 20 something points. We have the last 2 days, very bad first trade, max lose, and then we have a nice trade second. So big even. So it's last 2 days. Today's the payoff. The payoff. Ahmed Ali, 20 points enough for you. Muhammad, there is nothing called enough in trading. When you are in a trend, don't say enough. Take the most. Trend doesn't happen every day. Doesn't happen every day. So when you have a trend, don't say enough. Don't say enough. Just stay in a trade until the trend is done. Okay. So 17 points from the entry now. Almost 17 points from the entry. Still moving, man. Keep my stop at the same. Not gonna move it. Nice. Market is still moving. 19 points from the entry now. 19 points from the entry. There we go. We're gonna move our stop now to be at 1755.9. 1755.9. I'm gonna move my stop loss again. at 1 second. Almost 20 points from the entry now, boys. 20 points from the entry. God damn it, I missed this trade. 21 points from the entry. Wow, 21 points from the entry. So I'm gonna move my stop now to be at 1 second. No, 21 points. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna put, there is a tick. Well, I'm gonna add it. I gotta keep my stop, to be honest, at this last pivot here, like 4 ticks blondes. I'm not gonna, just 4 ticks. Doesn't matter. I want to stay the trade. My stop is gonna be at 1757.3. $41 points from the entry. I move my stop now to be at 1758.1. 1758.1. And I move my stop now to be at 1758.6. 1758.6. Still the same. 45 minutes of this, still in this trade. 21 points. Nice move. 22 points. 22 points, buddy. And I move my stop now to be at 1758.8. 1758.8. $22 points. And I move my stop to be at 1759.1. Anyone stay in the trade? Anyone stay in the trade? Stay still? Anyone? Okay, so 21 points. 1 second, guys. 22 points, actually. I'm going to move my stop now to be at 1759.5. All of you guys out? All of you out? Andrew, Roger, Ahmed Hassan. Out of 22 points area. I just scalped. Oh, man. Oh, man. What do you mean 2 points, man? Now, I have a question. You get out of 2 points. When you have a losing trade, did you take the max loss or you just exit? That's my question. My daily goal is 200. Andrew, ever, take my advice. Do whatever you want. I'm just telling you my experience. Don't ever have a daily profit goal. Dollar amount. Ever. To mess up your mind. My question is, now we take 2 points. Okay, let's focus on trading now. 23 points from the entry. So we're gonna move our stop to be at 1760.3. 1760.3. And today the 2 p.m. trade is gonna be suck. So I'm gonna open the market, open the trade room anyway, but I'll trade it in sim because when you have this big move at the open, usually 2 p.m. will be sucks. Usually. So if you guys make profit, don't trade 2 p.m. or 3:30. I'm gonna trade 3:30, but on sim, on micro. 23. Yeah, keep your stop at sim. If you guys, I'm thinking I'm talking to myself because I think you guys all out. I think. Is anyone in? No one. So, Andrew, please answer my question. Would you have, like yesterday, we have a big lose first day, first day and day before. First trade was losing, max. Do you wait until you hit the max loss? So you lost 8 points, or you exit early? Please answer this question. Because if you wait until you hit the max loss, which you shouldn't exit early anyway, it's our strategy, so don't play with it. If you wait for you hit your max loss, which is going to be 4 points, 4.4 each contract. 1 second here, 23 points. Yeah, move for the stop at 1760.8. So you make it 1-to-1. Yeah, if you lose 200, you're done. If you make 200, you're done. This you go. Okay, can you make it 2-to-1, buddy? Because this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Make it 2-to-1. If you want to do like this, make it 2-to-1. So make it 200 loss, 200 profit. If you want to do dollar sign, which I don't like, but it's your call. Do 2-to-1. And try it for a week too, and you thank me after. $23 points. But Arnold, the problem with what you're doing now is, yesterday you exit the trade early, it was losing trade, exit early, okay? The reason my strategy stop is 4.4, it's not for random. And we have a lot of trades, the market go against us 4 points, then hit our stop and continue the target. So when you exit early, so early, like you said yesterday, you might give up a lot of winning trades. So I know which strategy I'm trading, but I need you to think about it. That's it. I secure from this trade now, from this last contract, I secured 17 points from last contract. And almost 10 from the first one, 27. Almost 30 points for this trade so far. So July pay off this today. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna start adding contracts when you have a trade like this. I'm gonna start to add contracts on each support or resistance. So when you have trend like this, when market reach support or resistance, I will add contract with very little stop loss, maybe like 15-20 ticks stop. You know, because you want to add. We have this trend, it doesn't happen every day, so we should take advantage. And this good, it's going to be good too for if anyone exits early, so he can just trade one contract and catch some point. How about that? Now I have a choice. I have a choice to lower my stop 13 ticks to give the market extra chance. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should I do it? Should I not? I need your opinion. Anyone else? If I secure 25, almost 30 points from this trade, if I secure 30 points from this trade, and I have a chance to lower my stop 13 ticks, which is almost 1 point, to give the room extra chance, to give the trade extra chance. Should I do it or not? Muhammad Ali said no. Why? Momentum is going down now. Momentum is going down now. How do you know momentum is going down now? Market is reaching now 1775, 1770. But my question is, it might go down, yeah, no problem. But you don't know. You don't know. Anyone on earth, except the institutions move the market, will know that we have a trade at the open move almost 30 points. No one on earth will know. Market today, past all the resistance you can imagine. Because you want to push higher, so we don't know. This 33 points, it might be 40, 50. We don't know. So giving up 1 point, just 1 point, giving up 1 point for a chance to get a chance to maybe go more than that would be payoff. That's my thought. I've been studying RTY for more than 2 years now to know how the market will move at the open. And I couldn't figure it out. I did everything you can possibly. I use all the indicators. I use everything. I use auction. I use order flow. I use everything to know how the market gonna move at the open. Nobody knows. I just see the orders coming. When I see big orders coming, yes, I move the market, but it's happened when we are on trade. That's what I'm saying. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop now to be at 1762.7. 1762.7. See market rejecting the market all-time high today. So let's see. 1762.7. I secured already 20 points from this trade. I secured 20 points from this trade, so 20 points plus 10, 30, 32 points, 32.4 points. That is beautiful. With 24 points actually market moving now. I'm gonna lower my stop for a bit. To be at, keep it the same for now. I might lower it a bit, but keep it the same for now. Keep it the same for now. $30 minutes passed, and we're still in this trade. $1762.5 is going to rise. 1762.5 is going to be my stop. I see auction with, sorry, I see the retail area coming. Retail area, which the sellers start coming. Sellers start coming. So 1762.5. And I stopped that. Was nice trade, very nice trade. Hope you have it every day. I make almost $2,000 in this 30 minutes trade. It's nice. Just want to track something here. Yep. Retail coming. Retail coming. Yeah. And we done RTY. That's it. Let's look at the strategy. So ES is going to be 10 ticks. Actually, make it 12.24. In Q60, market is not very volatile today. 60, 120. So what happened today? ES was moving up. So, and actually, this is the first time the market breaks the middle band. So this should be there. This should be there. Now we're looking for the test trade. Same with NQ. This is the first time market break the middle band. And this should be there. Now RTY is outside the day, so nice trending day. RTY NQ is outside this. Now we are a trending day. So we're looking for this trade now. ESG. Let's see about this. Template. Oh. Still waiting? I'm just waiting for this to be green, and then I'll try to go short. So to be red, I'll try to go short. Let's see. Now, waiting for test trade. Yes, thank you. Still waiting. Now, I'm going to start thinking about going short, breakout. Short breakout. Same, not for yes, not for NQ, just yes. If I get signal, I'll go short immediately. Waiting for test trade, yes, NQ. We measure this. 60 to that, yes. You guys see this? Retail value. This auction. Retail means seller and control. When you are in retail, you should be looking for to sell. Not all the time, like if you have a signal, it should be better if you have a signal sale in this area, retail area. So when you have a retail structure down, it's a very nice signal. If you doesn't mean you go short. Mean you can if you have a your setup when you have a short setup, it will be high probability. High probability. Can say this one. High probability. Let's see. We're looking for this thing. Step. No signals. No trades. We have 7 minutes until we're done. We got a short here, nice. We're gonna move our stop a little bit behind the swing high. And let's see. That's it. You guys are gonna shorten out in MES. Our entry gonna be at 387675.7, and stop gonna be at 3893.25, and our target gonna be at 3869.25. That's it. And let's see. This high probability trade doesn't mean it's gonna work 100%, but no, big chance. It's all the odds in our favor. You know what I mean? It's not sell off. It's red zone. It's a retail area. So, and it's a breakout. What else we need? If you guys are trading V2 or V3, you can take this. You should take this first one, but you miss it. This should be one good one. This one. V3. I don't trade V3 anymore now. So. Looking for this trade. NQ this trade is coming. NQ this trade is coming. Let's see. But the problem, the area is so close now. So close. So what's the distance between here and there? It's like 100. It's already the market already tested without us. So forget about NQ now. Forget about NQ. Looking for this trade, yes. Give me one more bar space. And yeah, buy limit. So I'm gonna buy now limit. Gonna buy my buy limit at 3881.75 to go long this trade. Structure is up now, which is sucks. Let's see. We have 4 minutes until then. We are in the test rate. Yes. NQ test trade, tested without us. So seems like a losing trade. Yeah, there is losing trade. Yeah, there is losing trade. It is losing trade. Market didn't even test it. So this is the pivot. Should be here. This is the pivot. Guys, don't forget, Friday we have unemployment rate news at 8:30. Friday, which is tomorrow, I'm gonna open a trading room at 8:30 in the morning. 8:25 actually. 8:20. Actually, I'm gonna open it like 8:20, 25, something like that. So we have a retail, we have employment rate. So you're gonna trade tomorrow at the news, and you're gonna trade at 8:32. So 2 minutes after the news. And please trade micro tomorrow, the news, trading the news sometimes will be tricky. Like yesterday, FOMC was sucks. Are you guys coming tomorrow morning? Retail trader? Sorry, the employment rate? So my advice, if this is your first time trading the employment rate, trade micro for like 2-3 sessions. And then you get familiar how this market works in the employment rate, and then you can trade even after that, maybe. But not the first time. The 10 a.m. trade was losing. It was short and it was losing trade. 10 a.m. And the 9:45 was losing. So here is the thing. When you have a big move at the open, like today, don't ever think about trading 10 a.m. 9:45. That's it. Market will be choppy, because our market always moves and then consolidate, move, consolidate. So with the open 10 for 9:45 would be suck. So don't ever think about it. When the market choppy, the open back and forth like yesterday or the day before, then 10 a.m. would be nice, 9:45 would be nice. 2 p.m. would be nice. And that's it, guys. Nice session. See you all tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning, and then we'll trade, and then maybe close it for like 30 minutes and get back at 9:30. See you guys tomorrow at 8:30.